Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to another vlog. I know it feels like all of a sudden I'm constantly like starting my vlogs in the car. It's not intentional. So I hope you all had a lovely weekend. Wishing you all a good week ahead. Today I am off to the shopping centre. I need to get a few things for I'm just gonna pop into Primark Home, a few things I need to get for the bathroom. As I just want to, zhuzh it up a bit, so like again I said, I'm going for the boho sort of style, so I'm gonna go to Primark Home because the Primark Home here is amazing. Gonna see if I get some bits from there, and then I'm gonna go to B&Q because right now basically what we do is like every spring we sort of like revamp the front of the house, and the garden is due for a cut, is due for new plants. The plants that have died over the winter, we need to revive them, so I'm gonna pop into B&Q quickly just to see what is there. I want to take the front of my grass off. We've got grass at the front of our house which brings so much bugs and insects, so we want to try and remove, because we've got loads of bushes and flowers at the front of our house. So what we want to do is remove a lot of them and then just like put stones there instead. So Jeremiah and I are currently at Pret. Jeremiah's got his cookie biscuit and his mango juice. I'm having my croissant, cheese croissant and some porridge. So yeah, we're just gonna eat and then we're gonna continue with our shopping. Primark have really gone in with their vases. Like, look at these cute vases, guys. I love this one. Once I get my shelving unit, oh my god, these are so gorgeous. I'm gonna get some of these vases and decorate my shelf with them. Oh, I like these bowls and plates. These are cute. Like a ceramic brown and nude sets. Okay guys, so been out, bought a few bits, got some cooking stuff. Now I'm about to make a recipe that I saw online that I thought was just looks so delicious, from a blogger, Gemma. And I'm always making African dishes. Like those that know, I'm a Ghanaian, so I'm always cooking African dishes. Just felt like making something different, once in a while you just want a new recipe. So I normally like browse online for new recipes, literally. So I'm going to be making tonight chicken mango chutney tortilla wraps with homemade potato wedgies. Sorry guys, my camera had died, so I couldn't record me making the sauce. So I used 2 tablespoons of mango chutney, and I used 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. I used the garam masala, hot curry powder, coriander ground, salt and pepper. Mixed it all together in this bowl, and then I've literally just added a bit of splash of water and oil just to loosen it up a bit, because as it was a bit thick. And yeah, I'm just going to heat this for about another 5-10 minutes just to let the flavours sink in. The wedgies are currently cooking in the oven. Sorry you've missed so much. My battery died, so I'll show you the end result. Guys, this wrap, divine. Janae, you ready to eat?
Yeah.
This is divine, guys. I highly advise you try this recipe. Oh my god. What I missed out was getting some coriander leaves or parsley leaves to sort of like garnish it. But this I was worried that the mango chutney will be too sweet, and I was thinking using mango for food. So we're just coming from Ikea. It's another day. I just came to get a few bits for the kids' wardrobes. What else did I get? Anyway, I'll go through the haul when we get home.
And we went the tunnel thing that you can go in.
We'll go through. It's been so busy. I'm never coming to Ikea on a Saturday morning / afternoon again. Is today Friday? Oh my god, it's not even Saturday. It's a Friday. I'm not coming on a Friday again. It's been so manic. But at least I've got my bits that I needed. New wardrobes are going up in the house, in our bedrooms. And yeah, Ikea is the one. I've got some Ikea hacks for those that don't know about it. I'll share it with you guys when I get home. Won't tell you. But there are bargains. There are bargains at Ikea, guys. There are bargains a lot. I'll share my hack when I get home. I only discovered it a few weeks ago. So it has been an extremely long day. Like, I went over to Ikea. I got some storage bits for the kids' wardrobes. And yeah, I'm just about to do the laundry. I'm gonna iron all their stuff, and then fold them and put them away into their wardrobes. So yes, I got this storage box here. I'm gonna put Jeremiah's pajamas in this one, and then I'll probably put his socks in this one. It came as a set. The bottom storage are from Asda. And then I got, and these are the kids' new wardrobes, by the way. They're from Ikea. Well, for the boys anyway. And then I just got this extra storage rail for Jason's clothes. So I'm going to literally take well, all the clothes are in bags actually. A few are in here. I'm going to take them out because obviously boys, he hasn't even folded them properly. I'm going to take them all out. I'm going to iron them and then put them back into their wardrobes nice and neat. So now the boys shouldn't have any excuse to why their clothes are all over the place. Once and for all, I'm going to sort it out and organise their stuff again once and for all. Guys, you lot just hate when you feel like the laundry is just never ending. Like, especially with the boys, like they wear something once and then everything goes into the laundry and everything just piles up. And I have so much bags of laundry, like it's just depressing. Even just looking at them, I'm just like, I've been doing laundry every day at like 3-4 times a day straight. This is the 3rd day now and I still haven't got to my laundry yet because I'm still trying to get through all the boys' ones. Oh. Being a mother is not easy. Please guys, don't watch my hair because yeah, I've cut it. I'm about to take it off. I'm about to take my plaits off, so don't watch the hair. But yeah, it's been a busy day, but a productive day. At least I've got everything that I need for their wardrobes now, so I'm just gonna get that done. Got them some new duvet sets as well, so when I've done everything, I will show you their room apart from their laundry. Okay, so another day again. I haven't been able to finish my vlogs. I've been so busy, but we just got back from dinner. We went out to a Thai restaurant, which is really nice. So we just got back home. I said I was going to share with you my Ikea secret. You guys probably know about it already. I'm probably late, but if I didn't know, I'm sure there's some people out there that also didn't know. So Ikea have this, I don't know if it's every Ikea, but they have this at the end, just before the checkout, they've got like an area where it's like a last chance to buy things that have been like reduced, and I mean like over 50% reduced. Like those that have been on display maybe or out, you know, on the shop floor that haven't sold. So it's like more than half price on like wardrobes, beds, desks, sofas, plants, like everything you can think of. There's always a range of goodies there. I only discovered it a few weeks ago. I went there and I was like, oh my gosh, they've got some amazing pieces in there. So basically they had a few house plants and the original price was like £40. Best believe I got 2 plants, one for £3.50, one for £2.50. I could not believe it, guys. And it's actually like a decent sized plant as well. Let me show you. So this plant here, I got this for £3.50 from the Ikea section, and it's quite big as well, pretty big. I think the original price was like, I think it was like 20 something pounds. I got it for £3.50. And then I got this gorgeous one as well with the basket for, I think it was £2 something. Can you believe it, guys? Look at this beautiful tree with the bamboo basket, the wicker basket. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, this will be perfect for my kitchen. I cannot believe the price. Yeah, so that was my purchases. I went back again yesterday when I went back previously. They had some nice storage boxes for like the storage units, and then you get the boxes to put the kids' toys in it, that sort of unit thing. The original price was like £50. It's now £20. So I'm going to go back and try and see if it'll still be there and get some of them, because they're just such a bargain and they're still brand new. So I highly recommend, if you're on Ikea, on a budget, always try that section first, because there's so much goodies in there and they're not secondhand as well. So that is my Ikea hack. So I'll be going back there like every week for more bits. But yeah, so basically we finished with the kids' room. Wardrobe's been done. It took me hours to iron yesterday. I was ironing for God knows how long. I didn't even realize the time. I was like, oh my god, is this the time? Like, I had been ironing for so many hours, but I was enjoying it because I just sat down and had a movie on as I was ironing. So it was all right. I like ironing anyway. So yeah, that was it. And that's about it really. So I'm just gonna keep quiet and stop rambling on and end the vlog here. So it's left with us two. We've got a new wardrobe that we just ordered. It's just come in from Ikea as well for our room. So hubby's going to be putting that up, and then just want to change up my side drawers in our room as well. So I've still got quite a bit that I want to get done over the summer for the house. Get a new sofa and all that jazz. So if you guys can recommend any nice, reasonable places that I can, you know, get furniture for the house, do comment down below, let me know. And thank you guys so much for taking time out to watch my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Sorry, it's a bit here and there. I continue different days, but we move. I've come to the end. I've been able to wrap up the vlog, okay? So if you do like this vlog, please do like, comment and subscribe. And please do let me know what you would like to see more of, because sometimes I just don't bother to pick up the camera. I'm just like, I don't know what to vlog about. Like, so it will help me a lot if you can let me know what you would like to see more in my vlogs. Let me know and we'll work it out. Have a good day, guys, and take care. Bye.